Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are feeling good. Today we will discuss about the comparison of the adjectives. So, in which lesson is scuba diving and experience. Adjectives, comparison of adjectives. Adjectives describe a noun or a pronoun. So, these adjectives will describe about noun or a pronoun. Look at the following pictures. So, are you able to see these pictures? Are you able to see these both pictures, ma? Yes, now we'll discuss about these two pictures. Sunil is 10 years old. So, how many years, ma, Sunil? He is 10 years old. Sarita is 10 years old. How many years, Sarita, beta? 10 years old. So, what will write me? Sunil is as old as Sarita because both are 10 years old. No, not at all difference. So, Sunil is as old as Sarita. So, in this picture, we don't have any comparison of adjectives. No comparison. But same. Sunil is 10 years old and Sarita is 10 years old. And next picture we will see. A giraffe is taller than a horse. A giraffe is a taller than a horse. So, taller. Here, taller means comparison of degrees. So, which degree we will see. It is a positive degree, it is a comparative degree, or it is a superlative degree. Now, we will discuss. So, a giraffe is taller than a horse. And third picture you can see next page. You can observe and you can see means you can understand easily. Third picture. What is mean by this third picture means father is 40 years old. How many years, ma? Father 40 years old. And mother is 35 years old. How many years? Mother is 35 years old. And whereas Kailash is 10 years old. Kailash is 10 years old. And whereas Kushi is 7 years old. How many years, ma? Kushi? 7 years old. So now we'll see. Kushi is the youngest in the family. Youngest. She was very smaller. So she was very youngest in the family. And father is the oldest in the family. Who is the oldest in the family? Father is the oldest in the family. Mother is younger than father. So, who is younger than father, ma? Mother is younger than father. Kailash is older than Kushi. Who is older, ma? Kailash is older than Kushi. And the youngest is, who is youngest, ma? Who is Kushi is youngest in the family. And Kailash is older than the Kushi. Look at the following words in the sentences we just read. As old as. So, as old as. As old as. So, which degree might is? Positive degree. Positive degree. Why? Because same age. No difference in comparison. So, same. Old. So, which degree ma comparison? Positive degree. Not at all having difference. Both having same years. Sarita is 10 years old and also Sunil is 10 years old. So, we don't have any difference between Sarita and Sunil. So, as old as. Both are same age. So, old is which degree ma? Positive degree. And whereas taller. Taller, older. So these are difference having. These are having difference. Both having taller and older. We can see difference because it is which degree, ma? Taller and which? Taller and older. Which degree means comparative degree. It is comparing. Comparative degree. It is comparative degree. So what you finding? We can find that taller and older. So it is comparison between two persons, two things or anything. So taller or older. So comparing two things. So it is comparative degree. It is a comparison. So next one we will see the oldest or youngest. Oldest, youngest. Already we seen in the family who is oldest one. Father is the oldest one, and who is the youngest means Kushi is the youngest girl. So we can see superlative degree it is. Superlative degree. Superlative degree. Superlative degree. So in this first sentence, first picture, no difference in anything. We can see as old as Sunil also 10 years old, Sarita also 10 years old. So that's why as old as is a positive degree. And where the second picture, taller. So see, a giraffe is taller than a horse. Which is taller ma? Giraffe is a taller than a horse. So taller is a comparison degree. Why it is a comparison means it is comparing both. Which one? Giraffe as well as horse. As well as horse. Both. Giraffe and horse. It is a comparison of between two, horse and giraffe. So it is called as comparative degree. And third one is oldest and youngest. In this picture, in the third picture, you can see father is the oldest one in the family. Who is the oldest one? Father is the oldest one because he had 40 years old. How many years he got? 40 years old. 40 years old. And where is the smallest one? Youngest one. Who is the youngest one ma? Kushi. Kushi is the youngest one. So which degree ma? Oldest and youngest is a superlative degree. I hope you all understand about comparison of adjectives. Now we can see some more examples. So you can see, you can observe here positive, comparative and superlative. 3 degrees are given in your book. You can understand, you can see means you can understand. Once again I will go through. Beautiful. So beautiful is a positive degree, and whereas comparative it is a more beautiful. Whereas superlative degree it is a most beautiful. Most beautiful. Capable, positive degree. More capable is a comparative degree. Most capable, superlative degree. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Wonderful, more wonderful. Simply comparative, what we are adding? We are adding more. What we are adding? More. And most for more we are adding. Comparative degree. Comparative degree. What we are adding? More. And superlative? Most. Superlative degree. What we are adding? Most. Yes? I hope you all understand about more and most. For comparison, we are using more. For superlative, we are adding most. So important, more important, most important. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. So apart from these, there are also certain adjectives that undergo a total transformation in comparative and superlative degrees. Example, positive, comparative, superlative. Good, good, better, best. See, we can down another table also given for you. More understanding. So, you can observe means you can understand. So, this table, good, better, best. Well, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Ill, worse, worst. many, more, most. Much, more, most. Little, less, least. Far, farther, farthest. So, I hope you all are understand about positive degree and comparative degree and superlative degree. I hope you all are understand about comparison of degrees. So, we'll see. Let's try lesson 9. Let's serve 8 and lesson 9. Tomorrow we'll see these two exercises about comparison of adjectives. Now, I hope you all are understand about this comparison of adjectives. Thank you. Have a nice day.